Hey friend, it is Megan Elizabeth from ByMeganElizabeth.com, founder and creator of the She Makes Club. And today I wanted to unbox some things that I picked up for the family and for homeschooling and summer schooling and some different things that I have coming up that I'm working towards with the family. And I had heard a lot about this company called Not Consumed. I don't have an affiliate. I don't have a promotion code, nothing like that. But I just thought I'd unbox what I picked up and kind of go over it a little bit with you guys. I'm really excited about it. And I just thought I would show it off. I kind of love... I love getting stuff like this and being able to put it into practice. Like, as a family, I am a big believer in investing in personal growth and education and family development as well as personal development. Like, it's a huge, huge thing to me. And so hearing about this, some of these programs and some of the things that they have, I was super, super, super excited. So I got a lot, as you can see here. So one of the things that I got is a music course called Still Singing, and it's 32 hymns, and it actually has penny whistles, which I have loved playing the penny whistle since I was my kid's age. I have quite a lot of fun with it, and it's a lot of fun to be able to play and to learn music with. So I got all the kids their own penny whistle. I have one also. So that's what these are. And then there's a Still Singing hymn music program that is going to be in here. There's a couple audio books. The Lamplighter Theater, Frozen Fire, and Charlie's Choice are two that are included with the Bible studies that I got for the kids. And then I got family devotional packs. So I'll kind of explain a little bit what I actually got. And then I'll just pull everything out and I'll explain it kind of as we go. Oh, I'm so excited about this. This is amazing. Holy pins. Okay. Didn't know about all the pins. Maybe I did. I just didn't realize. I guess maybe I thought they were stickers. So the pins say things like, yep, words matter. I do what he says. Yep, words matter. And bored never. So those are the three styles of pins. I guess it's a pin for everybody in the family. Okay, so I got To Every Nation, and this is a Bible study / geography / history type program I got for the kids for, I'm really excited about this, like really excited about this. I got this for the kids for school next year. Jenna will be in 7th grade, Benson will be in 8th. So it's a study on missionaries and God. And there's all these books on really amazing, amazing missionaries. Some of these I have read. When I was a kid, my kids actually were in a George Mueller play. So there's a book on George Mueller, Elizabeth Elliot, David Livingston, Amy Carmichael, Corrie ten Boom, Nate Saint. I mean, you can see there's quite a few here. So I'll have all these books that they'll be able to read. And then there'll be like a workbook and their virtues and different things that you learned or struggles. And I'm just so excited about this. Like, I'm so excited about this. I think this is going to be awesome for them for next year. So that's what this is. And again, it's called To Every Nation. So it ties in a little bit of everything. Here is that Still Singing. So it's hymn stories for every season. Ooh, they're all packaged up so neatly. I'm so excited about this. So again, it's the same type of thing. I'm going to have to kind of figure out if I need to order another one of these books or how this actually works. I just ordered one, and then I got the penny whistles. So he keeps me singing, hymn study notes. So it's like stories about the hymns and how to play them, like all kinds of stuff. So this will be their music course for next year also. So this is really cool. And then I dove in and got 2 complete family study guides. And I might get more, to be honest with you. That's pretty. The beauty of life isn't found in perfect circumstances. It's found in faith. I want to see if I can save that. Ugh. Can I save it somehow? Let's see. I think I might be able to. Oh, here. Look. The beauty in life isn't found in perfect circumstances. It's found in faith. Because God is faithful, I choose to live not consumed, and we are not consumed because his compassions never fail. Fail not never fail. Okay, so here is the obey, and then here's the fruit of the tongue, and then here is the content heart. 3 different studies. These are family packs. So I got the parent guide, and then 2 youth books, one for Benson, one for Jenna. Dylan will be a part of the youth ones on the weekends. And then I got a junior one for Graydon. And then with these studies, they each come with an audiobook. And actually the one of these, I don't remember which is which. I'll have to go through and figure out which gets paired to what. We actually already had the other audiobook that they paired with it. And then for Graydon's age, for the junior, they're Patch the Pirate soundtracks and CDs. And if you've never heard of Patch the Pirate, I grew up with Patch. I grew up listening to Patch the Pirate since I was a kid. I actually got to sing with Patch the Pirate when I was a kid, which was awesome. His daughter's name was Megan, and I'm Megan, and we were the same age. And anyway, it's kind of that's a long story. But anyway, they had come to our church quite a bit. They travel around. Majesty Music is pretty well known, and especially like the Baptist churches, I guess you could say, and other Bob Jones kind of. Anyway, Patch the Pirate is awesome for kids. It's some fun for adults too, and they're like I said, it's music and stories that I grew up on, but of course there's a lot of new ones that I have not heard as I've grown up. So these are 2 that we actually didn't have, and they coordinate for these awesome studies as well. So again, we got the junior is for Graydon, and they have youth and like different age groups, so you can kind of choose. And then they have like stickers and all kinds of stuff to go with it. So it's something that the family can really dive into together, but it breaks it up that it's not just for, you know, the preschool, elementary school. It's also for, you know, the 7, 8, 9-year-olds, but then you can get it for the teens as well, which I thought was really cool and really excited me about this. When I looked into these, it seemed like these were definitely the 3 areas, you know, controlling our tongue, the fruit of the spirit, lying, all of that stuff, you know, actual obedience, having contentment in our hearts. These are like 3 things that I feel like we definitely have focused in more on as a family. So I just thought it would be really great to kind of have a study to go through together and be able to kind of grow and encourage each other. They're all a couple weeks long. So each book has a memory card, which is really cool. And a couple other, actually more than one memory card. There's a couple memory verse cards and stickers and a bookmark. And then, again, there is the different lessons. So this is a 20-day Bible study for this, or 4-week Bible study, depending on how you want to break it out. And like I said, they do studying together, and they give you the whole guide. And then they have the 4 kids for ages 4 to 7, and then kids ages 8 to 12, and then teens 12 and up. So they have like this 3 age groups, but they're studies that still go together. So anyway, I just wanted to share this today. Again, I'm not an affiliate. I haven't gone through everything like completely thoroughly. So there may be things that, you know, as a disclaimer, there may be things that I don't fully agree with or align with, but there's a lot that I know that I do. I know that I've read some of these books. I know that, you know, Patch the Pirate is something I grew up with. I'm very familiar with Lamplighter. So just the things that tie together and what I've seen and read and have heard about, it seems really solid and really, really amazing. So I'm really looking forward to it. I hope my kids love it. I hope it brings us closer as a family, and it's just exciting. So I just wanted to share it with you all. I hope you have a great day. I'll leave a link in the description. Again, it's not an affiliate link, but just to be able to send you guys to a solid resource, especially if you're homeschooling or virtual learning or anything like that, and want to add some extra supplements to your home and bring the family together. This might be a really great way to do it. Anyway, have a great day. I'll see you soon.